Good morning, doctor. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. How can I help you today?
I've been feeling a bit under the weather recently.
I see. Can you describe your symptoms?
I've had a sore throat and a bit of a cough.
How long have you been feeling like this?
About 3 days now.
Any fever or chills?
Yes, I had a slight fever yesterday, but it went down.
Okay, let me check your temperature. Your temperature is normal, no fever at the moment.
That's good to hear.
I'll listen to your chest now to check your lungs. Your chest sounds clear. There are no signs of infection.
That's a relief.
It seems like you have a mild cold. I'll recommend some rest and fluids.
Should I take any medicine for this?
I'll give you a mild cough syrup and some pain relief tablets.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Make sure to rest and drink plenty of fluids.
Will do. How long do you think I'll need to recover?
It should take about a week. If it gets worse or you develop any other symptoms, come back and see me.
Okay, I will. Thanks again.
No problem. Take care and get well soon.
Hi, I have a prescription for some medicine.
Sure, let me take a look. Here are your medicines. You have a cough syrup and pain relief tablets.
Thank you. How often should I take them?
Take the cough syrup every 6 hours. And the pain tablets twice a day.
Got it. Should I take them with food?
Yes, it's better to take the pain relief tablets with food to avoid an upset stomach.
Thank you for the advice.
No problem. Hope you feel better soon.
Thanks again.
You're welcome. Take care.
Cheers. Honestly, didn't expect you to be this busy on a Tuesday afternoon.
Same here. Must be the weather, everyone's out making the most of the sun.
Can't blame them.
You don't get many sunny days in London.
True that.
So, do you come here often?
From time to time.
They do a proper flat right here.
I'm more of a cappuccino person myself.
Classic choice. So, are you local or just visiting?
I actually moved here a couple of months back, work stuff.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I work in digital marketing for a small agency. Pretty fast-paced but interesting.
Sounds intense. But at least it's not Dell right.
Exactly. And the team's great, makes all the difference.
That helps loads. Nothing worse than a toxic office.
Completely agree. What about you? What profession of work are you in?
I'm in publishing, editorial side mostly.
Oh, that sounds really cool. Do you get to work on books and stuff?
Yeah, mostly nonfiction. A lot of travel and culture pieces.
I love a job like that. Must be rewarding.
It is its moments. Deadlines can be brutal though.
Oh, I bet. Especially if the riders are behind schedule.
Don't even get me started.
Haha, fair enough.
So, what do you do when you are not buried in marketing campaigns? Bit of reading, exploring the city. Occasional weekend trips. You?
I'm big on hiking. Anytime I can get out of the city, I take it.
That's brilliant. And your favorite spots?
Like District Brighton. Nothing beats those views.
I've been meaning to go. Might pick your brain about it later. Mind if I sit here? It's a big pack today.
No worries at all, go ahead.